What's going on? This is Aaron Forex Scott, a part of the Winner Circle, and then from the inside of the leading source of education for foreign exchange trading and cryptocurrency trading. I'm shooting this video to show you a trading plan that can help you potentially grow a small account of $100 into 6 or 7 figures by the end of the year or a 90-day period. Yes, your $100 utilizing this trading plan that I'm about to show you, utilizing the education and the knowledge and resources that we have inside of our Winner Circle group, which is connected to IML, you can grow a small account of $100 into 6 or 7 figures by the end of the year. Now, if you are not aware of Forex, it is okay. 95% of the world has no idea it existed. 10 years ago, you weren't even able to trade on the foreign exchange market as an individual. But now that access is available to you and the education, the knowledge, the resources and tools is here for you to take advantage. So I'm here to show you how you can utilize a small plan, a trading plan that is in front of you right now, utilizing the tools, the education and mentorship and support within our Winner Circle group, and you can potentially grow your $100 account into 6 or 7 figures by the end of the year. Now, I do have to put a disclaimer: nothing is guaranteed, especially when you're dealing with investments. But that is what our educational platform is for. We teach you how to systematically make money on a daily basis utilizing key strategies that we have tested, that we know that work because we utilize them ourselves. Now, if you are unaware of what compound interest is, say for instance you put your money in a bank account. Most people have bank accounts, they have checking accounts, they have savings accounts. You put your money in a bank account. At the end of the year, the bank tells you that they will give you an annual percentage rate of 1% or less than 1% at the end of the year, which means your money is growing without you doing anything. But the banks know about compound interest. The banks, when the banks close, they utilize the money that they've accumulated from their customer base. They use that as collateral and they trade on the foreign exchange market. And then as their money grows on a daily basis, they only give you 1% at the end of the year. Now, if they're able to give you 1% at the end of the year, that means your money is growing. But you only get 1%, and it's your money. The banks get the other 99%. So with this education, we are here on a mission to spread the education, the knowledge, and the value to show people how to take back control of their investments, put their money instead of in a bank account, open up your own banking system, your own broker's account, so that when you put your money in your own broker's account, your money can grow on a daily basis. And I'm going to show you with this trading platform, this trading plan, how you can start with a measly $100. That is your beginning capital, and we're going to start June 1st, 2018. And I'm doing this with my group. So if you're inside of the Winner Circle group, this is something that we're going to be utilizing for our trading plan, because we too want to earn 6 or 7 figures in a 90-day period. But as long as we can get 30 pips, and you don't have to know what Forex is, that's what the educational platform is for. It's going to take you from the very beginning to the very end of you becoming a professional trader. But as long as you can get 15% per day, every single day, and you stick to this plan that we give you, and you stick to the strategies and the signals that we send you, as long as you can get your 15% a day, your $100, on the first day, you only make $15 profit. The second day, you make $17 profit. Your third day, you make $19 profit. By the end of 30 days, you will have made $5,000. Now, if you put your money in a bank account, if you put $100 in a bank account, at the end of 30 days, it'll still be $100. By the end of 60 days, your $100 will have accumulated up to $331,000 in 60 days. By the end of your 90-day period, your $100 will have turned to $29 million, and you started with $100. This is the eighth wonder of the world, folks. This is what they did not teach us in school. This is the education that is available to you, but it is up to you to make the decision on getting started. We are changing lives literally all across the globe. So if you're interested in learning Forex, I am here to help you get in now.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
Now you're listening to Mega Music.
So fresh and so clean, ballin' with my team, pull up on the scene. $1 million dreams, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. So fresh and so clean, all up on my cream, pull up on the scene.